Welcome to this ChurchBooks3 Online tutorial. In this session, we'll review the Financial Management module and show you how to enter financial data and generate important financial reports for your church. To get started, open the left-hand navigation menu and click on Financial Management. This opens the standard financial reports screen. From here, you can generate a variety of professional financial reports with a single click, including income statements, balance sheets. These reports are already formatted and ready for church board meetings, finance committee reviews, and annual reporting requirements. The first step is to select the appropriate category for the transaction you are entering. ChurchBooks3 organizes financial activity into 5 primary categories: assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Selecting the correct category helps ensure accurate financial reporting and proper accounting records. For this example, let's enter a new asset transaction. In the description field, enter a brief explanation of the asset. Use clear and meaningful descriptions that will help identify the transaction later when reviewing reports. Next, enter the asset value amount. This should reflect the dollar value associated with the asset being recorded. Now enter the transaction date. Recording accurate dates is important because all financial reports are generated based on the dates entered in your records. The reference number field is optional. You may use this field to record a check number, invoice number, receipt number, or any other reference that may help identify the transaction in the future. You may also enter additional information in the notes field. Notes can be useful for documenting details about the transaction or recording information that may be needed later for review or auditing purposes. Continue this process for each financial transaction until you have entered all of your assets, liabilities, equity transactions, income, and expenses. Once your financial information has been entered, generating reports is simple. To view your income statement, click the Income Statement button located at the top of the page. The income statement provides a clear summary of your church's income and expenses, allowing you to quickly evaluate financial performance for the selected reporting period. This report can be printed for meetings or emailed directly to church staff, finance committees, board members, or other authorized individuals for quick review. To view your balance sheet, click the Balance Sheet button at the top of the page. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of your church's financial position by displaying assets, liabilities, and equity balances in an easy-to-read format. Like all standard financial reports in ChurchBooks3 Online, the balance sheet can be printed or emailed directly to authorized staff members for convenient review and distribution. This concludes our tutorial on the Financial Management module of ChurchBooks3 Online. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore our additional tutorials to learn more about the powerful features available in ChurchBooks3 Online.